Hello, I'm Bradley Wood, Applications Engineering Manager for CMP Filtration. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a Solaris filter into our new manifold with Connectology technology. The new design includes a twist and lock mechanism that enables the person installing the filter to see and feel when it is correctly in place, decreasing the risk of leakage. The twist and lock design includes a modified top end and the addition of the data mark here, which aligns with the data mark on the manifold. These two features are important to note when installing the new Solaris filter. The first step for installing the Solaris filter is to wet the O-ring on the downstream end with IPA. This makes it easier to install in the manifold. Once this is complete, insert the downstream end into the manifold and rotate to align the data marks on the filter and the manifold. Once the data marks are aligned, push the upstream end of the filter into place. When seated fully in the manifold, ensure it is locked in place by rotating the filter 90 degrees or until the filter stops. Now you are ready to safely use your Solaris filter. For additional information on our Solaris product portfolio and how to order, please go to integris.com. Thank you for watching.